Hello, my name is Linh Đan. In this video, I am talking about the book Making Rice, written by Ting Gi. Rice is very important food for more than half of the world's people. In many Asian countries, rice is eaten at every meal. Many areas of the world have grown rice for thousands of years. In China, scientists discovered rice fields that were over 8,000 years old. That means rice has been a part of life in China for a very long time. Growing and cooking rice are part of China's culture. There are about 7,000 kinds of rice. They include long and short grain rice, sweet rice, wood rice, and brown rice. Rice is low in salt and fat. It is an excellent source of starch. Rice is grown in many countries of the world. It grows in fields called paddies. Some rice needs a lot of water to grow, so some rice paddies are filled with water. Many people greet each other by saying, "How are you?" But in China, people greet each other different. They say, "Chi fan meyo?" It means, "Have you eaten rice yet?" Rice is used in many other Chinese sayings too. If you say, "I lost my rice bowl," it means, "I lost my job." Throwing a rice bowl on the floor is insult and a sign of anger. The Chinese teach their children that they must eat every grain of rice in the bowls. It is a way of showing appreciation for farmers who work hard in the rice fields. Rice is used to make many things in China. Parts of rice plants are used to make paper and baskets, but the most important produce is food. Rice bran is used for making rice wine and vinegar. Rice can be crushed into rice flour. The flour is used to make rice cakes, noodles, and sweet treats. Rice is used to make many tasty dishes, such as chicken fried rice. You are going to learn to make this dish, but first you must learn how to make plain rice. It's easy, so let's try it. Before you start, wash your hands and put on a apron. Cooking is a lot of fun, but it's important to be very careful working with sharp knives, hot pans, and hot stove. Always wear oven gloves when you pick up hot pots and pans. Before you cook, it is best to gather what you need. It is also a good idea to clean up as you go along. Be sure to ask an adult to help with the cutting, and always have an adult around when working near a hot stove. To cook rice, you need these tools: a measuring cup, a saucepan with a lid, a strainer. You also need these things: 2 cups of long grain rice, 3 cups of water. Now you are ready to prepare the food. 1. Measure 2 cups of rice. 2. Place the rice in a strainer. Rinse well with cold water. 3. Place the clean rice in the pan. Add 3 cups of water. 4. Place the pan on the stove. Bring the water to the bowl. Boil until the rice absorbs most of water. 5. Cover the pan with a lid. Simmer over low heat for 15 minutes. 2 cups of uncooked rice will become 6 cups of fluffy rice. Serve rice as the base for a great meal. Rice is good with many Chinese dishes. For example, it is good with sweet and sour pork, orange chicken, and beef bouillon. Or you can serve rice with steak, fish, or chili and beans. Now that you can make rice, let's try popular Chinese dish, chicken fried rice. First, Get the tools you will need: a cutting board, a sharp knife, 2 small mixing bowls, a fork, a measuring cup and a measuring spoons, a large non-stick frying pan or a wok, a spatula or large wooden spoon. You will also need the following things: 3 green onions, 1 large cooked chicken breast boneless, 4 cups of cooked chilled rice, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of frozen peas that, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. You will need to make a sauce, so get these things: 2 tablespoons of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now it's time to get your work. You will need an order to do the cutting. 1. Chop the green onions on a cutting board. 2. Cut the chicken breast into small strips. 3. In 1 small bowl, beat the eggs with a fork. 4. In the other small bowl, make sure that you need for the sauce. Then mix those ingredients together. Now it's time to cook. Make sure you have others around to help. 1. Heat the vegetable oil in the frying pan. 2. Stir fry the eggs until scrambled, about 1 minute. 3. Add the green onions, chicken and peas. Slit them over a high heat for about 2 minutes. 4. Add the rice and salt and stir for 2 more minutes. 5. Taste to see if you need a pinch of salt or pepper. Serve while it is hot. Put it in a large serving bowl or put it on a dinner plate. Chicken fried rice makes a tasty meal for your family and friends. Enjoy it often. And when someone asks you, "Chị Văn mấy rồi?" you can answer, "Chila." Yes. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.